This is a simple yet powerful visualization which you can do while you are pregnant to help support your connection with your baby. If you work with pregnant clients, this can be a lovely visualization to include in your work. Variations of this connection can also be done for supporting fertility and at other times. This particular version is more geared for the 2nd and 3rd trimesters of pregnancy. You can rest in any comfortable position, sitting or lying. It is probably better to close your eyes, but if you are not comfortable doing that, then find a relaxing object to look at, such as a candle flame. Be aware of the position in which you have chosen to rest. Notice which parts of your body are resting in contact with the surface on which you are lying or sitting. Allow these areas to soften and receive support. Notice which areas in your body are feeling relaxed, and if there are any areas of tension. Place one hand between your breasts and one hand on your lower abdomen, just around your navel. Place your hands in whichever way feels comfortable, and do feel free to shift them as you need to. Feel how much pressure is comfortable. Notice the movement of your breath as you breathe in and as you breathe out. With each out breath, gently allow yourself to breathe out a little more slowly and a little more deeply, without straining the movement of breath in any way. As you reach the end of each out breath, take your time to allow the in-breath to arise in your body. With each out breath, gradually allow any areas of tension in your body to soften so that you become more and more deeply relaxed. Where do you feel the movement of breath in your body? Do you feel the movement of your lungs and chest filling with the in-breath and emptying with the out-breath? Do you feel the movement of your abdomen gently drawing your hand in with each out-breath and pushing it gently away with each in-breath? Are you aware of the area between the two? Bring the hand between your breasts down to rest with your other hand on your abdomen. With each out breath, allow your attention to be drawn inwards, a little more deeply inside your body. With each out breath, allow yourself to feel as though you are being drawn through the outer layers of your skin, of the muscles of your abdominal wall, and then deeper inside your womb. Begin to become more aware of your baby in your womb. Are they asleep? Awake? Are they wiggling around gently or kicking? With each out breath, become more aware of your baby. Perhaps you know where their head is, or their back. Maybe you can feel their arms and legs moving or resting. Perhaps you even have a sense of how it might feel to them to be floating in the warm, amniotic, watery fluid. Surrounded by fluid, floating in this warm ocean. Feeling the weight of their body supported by the warm water. Feeling the fluid movements of their body moving in water. Feeling the edges of the ocean. Feeling your body around them. Maybe you can even start to sense some of the emotions they are feeling. Now begin to be aware of the sounds they are hearing. The sounds which you are hearing around you. These sounds are muffled by the warm water. Gradually begin to sense the loudest sound that your baby is hearing. The sound of your heart beating. Sense how this must feel to your baby. A regular, rhythmic pulse. Surrounding them, beating through their body. Familiar. Now bring one hand up to rest over your heart. Feel the pulse of your heart beating under this hand. Begin to have a sense of the warmth of your heart. Of the nourishment and support which come from your heart to your baby. Of the love within your heart which you are sharing with your baby. If you have any sense of sadness or fear in your heart, acknowledge it. And then gently let it go. So that you can focus on the love which is in your heart. Feel the texture of this love. Feel if this love has a colour. Sense this love. Be aware of the connection between your two hands. Feel that your heart and your womb are joined together. Feel your heart beating in your womb, in the body of your baby. Feel the quality of this connection between your heart and womb. Feel the colour of this connection. The texture. Be aware of any sensations or feelings which arise. Feel the warmth and nourishment and support and love flowing from your heart to your baby. Moving through your womb, surrounding your baby, within the amniotic fluid. Trust that you always have love in your heart to give your baby. And your baby knows this. Rest, feeling this connection between your two hands, between your heart and your baby, as long as you wish. Being aware of any sensations which arise. When you want to finish, come back gently to an awareness of the movement of your breath, out and in. Start to be aware of your whole body, the way that you are resting. Feel the weight of your body and be aware of your baby in your body. Gradually begin to become more aware of your surroundings and what is happening outside.